Alright, what I have for you today is going to be some LED interior lights for the vehicle. Some of the lights were from DIODE DYNAMICS, the other ones are from LASFIT. If I could have gotten all my lights from LASFIT, I probably would have. But since they didn't have all the lights that I needed, I went with DIODE DYNAMICS. Don't get me wrong, DIODE DYNAMICS is a really good company. I just like the look of LASFIT as well as the durability. But yeah, both of these companies are really good. Alright, let me open these up for you guys and then we'll get to it. Okay, here you guys have them unboxed. The ones that you guys see on your right are going to be your LASFIT lights, and the ones on the left are going to be from DIODE DYNAMICS. The ones from DIODE DYNAMICS, these are going to be utilized for my visor, trunk lights, and then interior lights. If you guys are interested in getting these from LASFIT, these are your T10s. The visor lights are going to be your SMF1, and then your trunk lights are going to be SML8. If you also want to replace your puddle lights or your door lights, these are going to be it. I already replaced my puddle lights, and if you guys want to see the video on what I did with that, definitely go check it out. It's in my channel. Let's start off with the trunk lights. Again, those are going to be these right here from DIODE DYNAMICS. You could get those if you go visit their website. Those are going to be your SML8. All right, to release these lights, what you guys want to do is on this indent that you see right here, take a pry, push down on that, and boom, just like that. All right, once you guys have this off, what you guys want to do is push back on this so you can release this hook right here, and then you'll remove that way. Let me see if I could do that with one hand. Just like that. Take this out, and then let's put the LEDs on there. All right, one thing about these LEDs is that you do not want to put them facing up. You guys want to put them facing down, because if you put them on facing up, it's going to be just flashing inside and not towards the trunk. All right, the way you guys want to put this in is put it in on the hook first, push back, and then clip it on there. Once they're in, you guys want to make sure that they're working. So in order to do that, we need to close the trunk and then just open it back up. So these are working right here. I did switch these out right here, but they're not working. So if that happens to you guys, all you guys have to do is switch these around. So this got to go on the top, and then this top one has to go on the bottom. So let me switch that over, and then we'll see if that works. All right, so we did switch that over, and voila, they're both working. So let's just push those back in there, and that's easy as 1, 2, 3. Put that in, and then just push back. Same thing on the other side. Push the cable in first, and then push back. Those are pretty bright, as you guys can see on the camera. I like it. All right, let's move on to the next one. All right, for those that don't know, that's what I did with my puddle lights. I switched those to the ScatPack logo. But for the next lights that we're gonna be changing, are not gonna be these for right now. We'll get to those here in a second. But the ones that we're gonna be doing are gonna be these right here, the visor ones. You guys want to come in here, put the pry in there, and then push out, just like that. For this bolt right here, you can just pry this out. Don't be scared, it's not gonna pop. Or it's not gonna break, I should say. Just like that. All right, let's do the same to the other side. From the inside out. Boom. And then the same thing with the bolt. Like I said, don't be scared, it's not gonna break. All right, so these are the bulbs right here. If you guys can see that on the camera. We're gonna put this in. Just like that. Same thing on the other side. Just like that. Let me just test these out. So it seems like these are not working. Let me flip them around real quick. Again, guys, so if it doesn't work, make sure you flip them around. But with these, you gotta be careful because you might break the board if you pry it out from the middle. So be careful when prying these out. All right, that's it for that, guys. We're gonna start off with this one. All right, once you guys have it out from this clip right here, what you guys want to do is try to slowly pry this back towards you. There we go. All right, let's move on to this one over here. You guys want to wrap that bulb with tape around it and then pull down just like that. Same thing. All right, now let me get those new bulbs out from LASFIT and install those. All right, once you guys have both of them in, you guys are gonna put these back with the back side in first. Put in the back side, push that in, and push that back up, just like that. Same thing on the other side. Push that in the back, and push that up. And there you guys have it. So now let's test these out. Wow, that's really bright, but that's really good. All right, let's move on to the next one. All right, so for this one, in the back, you guys wanna pull this down, and the first thing you wanna do is take these two caps off. That's one. That's two. All right, once you guys have that, you guys are gonna grab a T25 bit and then unscrew these screws in here. All right, once you guys have it out, what you guys want to do is take a pry, flip this around if you can. If not, just come from underneath here, over here on this side. You guys see these two things right here. What you guys are gonna do is push back on them, and it'll come out just like that. Pry back on the plastic from the front, not from the back. So from the front where you push the button. So from here, just pry, and it'll come right back out. And then just push back on this bolt, and it'll come out just like that. And then we'll take our new LED and push it right in there, just like that. All right, so we're gonna take this plastic, put it back in there, just like that. And then we're gonna put the other one back in there as well, the same way we took it out. It's just gonna be this way. There we go. Make sure all the tabs are secure. Then you're gonna put it back into place. Take your T25 and screw your bolts. All right, so once you guys have your screw on tight, you're gonna take your caps and put these back in here, just like that. And bam, you're all done. All right, so in the glove box, there's one underneath here. That's the one that we're gonna be replacing. I'm gonna use the tape method as well. So we're gonna wrap tape around that bolt and then pull out. All right, just like that. I'm gonna grab that LED and put it back in there, and we should be done. Boom, we're done. Once you put that in, you'll know that it's working right away. But you want to press this button down as you're putting the bulb in, because those LEDs get hot fast and you don't want to burn yourself. So hold this down, put your bulb in, and then let go. And then obviously as soon as you let go, you're gonna see if that's working or not. All right, so the whole car is now finished with the lights. As you guys can see, it's a completely different new look. It's a lot better than the yellow lights that were on there. So it's looking real nice, guys. Like always, if you guys like this video, make sure you guys give it a thumbs up. If you guys are new, please consider subscribing. And make sure you guys hit that bell notification if you guys want to stay tuned with any upcoming mods. See you guys next time. Peace.